I've got this old pressure washer I never liked using because it leaked out at every connection point. I've changed the seals a few times over the years, but the leaking really didn't go away. So I hit up Amazon and bought a new wand and hose. In this video, I'll show you what I got in the boxes, my thoughts, some in-use footage, and my suggestions on other products to help improve your pressure washing experience. The extent of my research was searching Amazon and looking at the highest rated hoses. I ended up landing on the Yamatic 50-foot pressure washer hose. This hose was one of the most reviewed on Amazon with a good overall rating. So without knowing much about my other options, I took a shot in the dark and bought it. I wasn't even 100% sure what size fitting my pressure washer took. It turns out most pressure washers do have the M22 by 14mm connection, but not all, so it's worth finding your pressure washer's manual online and confirming. In my case, if the hose had the wrong fitting, there are adapter options to take it from the M2215 to the M2214, so at worst, I may be out another $10 for an adapter. The hose was advertised as a non-Kink hose, but one mistake I made was not completely unraveling out of the box, so my first use was full of kinks. I straightened it out and let the sun heat it up, and later uses were much better. One thing I plan on doing is setting up the pressure washer with a quick connect similar to what you see here. This will make attaching it quick and easy at both ends. This upgrade will help prolong the life of your pressure washer, so it's a good thing to do on your end as well. It does this by preventing stripped threads and premature O-ring wear from disconnecting and reconnecting many times. I found a set on Amazon that has all the different pieces so you don't have to rack your brain trying to figure it out while you're standing in the aisles of Home Depot or Lowe's. The link is in the description. Another link I'll leave in the description is for this hose. If I had to do it over again, I'd have went with this 50-foot Uberflex. It's twice as much, but I think the step up in quality is worth it. The pressure washer wand I got was in Mingle's brand. It comes with a gun, 5 tips, and a tip holder for $29.99. That's not a bad deal for a replacement gun. A feature I liked about this was that it has 3 different sizes: 8.8 inches, 25 inches, and 40 inches depending on how you use the attachments, which means you can use it for a variety of applications. This is everything that comes in the box, and I like how the packaging shows you exactly what you're getting. The assembly is very simple and straightforward. I can tell right away that the plastic covering this first extension piece is very weak, so be careful not to drop it. The holder is a nice addition, as I'm always at a loss of where to put my extra tips. And when using it, it feels as good or better in the hands as my original, so no complaints. Again, I don't have much to compare it to, but it is as good as the original, so I'm happy and it's functioning as I expected. Now I'll go ahead and gas up the pressure washer and give this new purchase a test run. I'll be addressing that leak in a future video, so subscribe to check that out. We'll do the test run on this sidewalk, and this is the first time I've cranked this pressure washer up in a couple years, and I'm realizing it may need some attention. The leaking will require either a valve rebuild kit, or I may just replace the pressure washer altogether. I'll cover the rebuild and or the new purchase in an upcoming video, so subscribe to check that out. But regardless if I get a new one or not, this hose and wand will be used, since most pressure washers come with only a 25-foot hose and a cheap wand.